which has chosen right. Everything is bosh without dosh, right? Yeah, apparently, if you look into that particular topic or get into that particular topic, you get to see that yes, everything runs with money. There is nothing without money. But if you want to see beyond the end of your nose, you get to see that not everything is being controlled by money. I'd like to share one of my very worst experiences. I recently witnessed, rather, I recently went through. One of my closest friends' mom recently passed away, and yeah, actually they are from very posh family. I must say that they have a big house. They have required money, whatever is needed in your life, but at the last they could not save her. We went to different hospitals from here to there, and different hospitals, the best care she got, but apparently we could not save her. So when she passed away, we understood that not everything is being controlled by money. When she is being burned in the crematorium, we get to see that here money can't help you. Money can't take away your sorrow. That if you lost your mother, you lost your near and dear ones, and no amount of money that fill that particular gap. Here, I disagree with that particular topic. That there are lots of examples I can give you right at this moment. That yes, money plays a very pivotal role in our daily life. But when we talk about that, when you talk about that, everything is controlled by money, or everything money can give you everything. There the problem lies. No, ask anything. Yeah. So yes, some people might argue that means you know to to see tomorrow you need money. Yeah.
As you said, one of your friend's mom, she has passed away. You took her to the hospital. I mean, to and fro you went. At the end of the day, she died.
Yeah.
But at least she had money. Reason why you had a bash at it. You tried for that. If she didn't have that also, you couldn't have a bash at it even. She would have died the day she has been. I mean, stuck by that disease.
But if you talk about the ultimate result,
Not ultimatum.
no, no,
I'm talking about at least
definitely,
try for that.
definitely.
Right?
Then you would have asked.
Hope.
Then you would have asked for
You
if
still
somebody.
have that hope.
Yeah, yeah,
right?
definitely, yeah.
That money gives you that hope. At least you can have a bash and you can go and try for that.
But what about the
You
sudden
know-
death? What about the sudden death?
your-
When the patient doesn't give you a single chance to.
your spinal cord is very strong because you have money. If you are fallen, you won't be that much injured if a poor guy would be fallen, right? So you can have a bash at it. But
So
if
what?
you're a poor
Recently we saw one of the famous singers died.
So
Don't do you think that he doesn't have enough money to simply pull himself back?
I mean, you wanted to say better to be poor.
Yeah.
And
No, I just simply say that yes, definitely be rich. There is no problem in that. But if you start thinking that money is the solution of every problem, there the problem lies. There I disagree with you. That yes, definitely.
problem.
Right, here the subject
That
matter.
example you cite. So based
No, no.
on
Here
that,
the everything is bosh without dosh. There not everything. There are many things that is bosh, that are bosh. But when you say everything, there the problem is. There I simply do not see eye to eye with you, because whenever you say that everything, it comes means everything that is not controlled by money. You know to understand. If you talk about a monk, a single monk,
So
he
that's a
simply
spiritual
gives up. He gives up his wealth.
you're walking down the spiritual path.
Everything. It is not mentioned in the tagline that you should not
No,
go
no,
for.
I'm giving you that. Like, I'm telling you based on the example that you cite. I question you based on that.
I truly believe that yes, to some extent, money simply gives you a certain back, right? Certain support. But after that particular threshold, nothing works.
And if you have money, don't you feel confidence?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, I feel confident because money helps a lot. I'm not denying the particular fact that money doesn't help us. Definitely, but here the question comes that everything is lost. No, everything not. There are certain things we cannot control. Suppose I fall in love with a poor guy or poor guy, right? Here I do not see how much weight he or she has. It's something beyond wealth, beyond money that you cannot control. There are many things. Suppose emotion. Suppose seeing.
Okay, money cannot buy love, affection. That's fine.
Yeah.
That
You
I
won't be
agree
able
with
to
that.
talk. Everybody
But
has that.
money can help you to survive your love. Your love won't die if you have money.
So if you this one,
if you do not have money, your love will die.
No, you just mentioned that one of the fantastic singers died. Right? It's not like that. If you have money, you can just stand in front of a truck and you can say, "I have money, I can't die." It's not gonna work like that. We